Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram profile URL with your friend. First of all, open Instagram and here you can see share your profile. Click on the share your profile button. Here you can see now here you can see this is your username QR code, and here you can see this is your link. What you need to do, click on this share profile link, click on this, and here what you need to do, you can share with WhatsApp friends your, for example I share with my this friend. Click on this and here open WhatsApp. Now here share with your friend. In this way you can share your WhatsApp URL. How to download this code QR code in your mobile phone? This is very easy. Here you can see this download button. Here click on download. Here click on included background. Click on this, and here in this way now click on save image. In this way you can download this QR code on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.